Welcome to Lecture 7. I'm Riaz and explore resource planning, human capital, logistics and digital integration, focusing on sustainability and execution. Join Riaz Geography Academy. India is rising. Behind every successful project is one crucial engine: effective resource planning. Whether it's managing labor on a massive scale or optimizing human in our booming tech hubs, the stakes have never been higher. The core challenge? Balancing supply and demand in a market defined by both massive potential and complex logistical nuances. In today's digital India, it's not just about manpower. It's about leveraging real-time data to predict trends and allocate assets where they are needed most. From optimizing the skill sets of our vast workforce to ensuring the right tools reach the right locations, precision is our best strategy. Our geography is vast. Effective planning accounts for transport, time zones, and regional regulations, turning logistical hurdles into competitive advantages. When resources are planned correctly, waste disappears, costs drop, and efficiency skyrockets. The difference between just finishing and truly leading. It starts with visibility. You cannot manage what you cannot see. Integrated project management tools are now the standard for Indian businesses. Our goal is holistic, balancing economic growth with sustainable practices, ensuring resources are not just used, but optimized for the long term. When people and assets align perfectly, the results are transformative. That is the power of strategic resource management. As India moves toward becoming a global economic leader, the companies that master this planning will define the future. Start planning for success, because in a nation of growth, your resources are your greatest asset. Are you ready to optimize?